Replace console output in Python. I'm wondering how I could create one of those nifty console counters in Python, as in certain C, C++ programs. I've got a loop doing things and the current output is along the lines of. What would be neater would be to just have the last line update. I've seen this in a number of console programs and I'm wondering how I do this in Python.
An easy solution is just writing \r before the string and not adding a new line. If the string never gets shorter, this is sufficient. Slightly more sophisticated is a progress bar. This is something I am using. You call start of progress passing the description of the operation, then progress x, where x is the percentage, and finally end under progress.
A more elegant solution could be call this function with current and total. The result should be Note: for Python 3.6 and below. For Python 2.x.
In Python 3 you can do this to print on the same line. Print end equals \r. Especially useful to keep track of the latest update and progress. I would also recommend TQDM from here if one wants to see the progress of a loop. It prints the current iteration and total iterations as a progression bar with an expected time of finishing. Super useful and quick. Works for Python 2 and Python 3.
It can be done without using the sys library if we look at the print function. Here is my code.